In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a calendar event on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Calendar app, and then in order to find an event, all you have to do is to hit on some specific date that contains event, or you can use search for that. So if you tap on a date with an event here at a timeline, you can search for event. There I got test event, and now also I can hit at magnifying glass icon and also search for a test event. Now I can hit on search, and here I can find that test event. I can tap on it to show its details, and now right here I can tap on delete event to delete it from my calendar. So I'll tap on delete event, and I have just deleted that event. And also I can open up some day and delete event from here. So I can hold down on that event, then hit on delete, and it may ask you if you want to delete this event only or delete all future events. I'll select the second one. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.